So today we're visiting Fremont Indian State Park in southern Utah, and I'll tell you why we're here. So Yoko's car broke down a couple weeks ago, and in a place called Beaver, Utah. So it's pretty far south down on I-15, and finally they got around to fixing it, and we had to drive about 3 hours to pick it up. And so why would we ever want to drive 3 hours south and then just drive 3 hours back? We decided to take our rig and camp out while we're down here. And we found a really cool place. It's Fremont Indian State Park. It's right off of Interstate 70 outside of Cove Fort, Utah. It's a little known place, very, very beautiful. It's kind of like in this canyon here. And we're having a great time. It's nice and quiet. I'm gonna show you around a little bit, okay? Okay, so as you can see, this is just typical, beautiful southern Utah landscape. There's just, I can't explain how beautiful this really is. You got to experience this. So if you've never been to Utah, I'm extending an invitation to come, bring your RV, explore the entire state and surrounding states. It's a beautiful place, and I feel blessed every day that Yoko and I live in such a cool place that we could just take our RV anywhere. There's Yoko and Oliver walking along a trail. By the way, Oliver's not our dog. We are helping out a neighbor by sitting for Oliver for like close to a month. It's like he goes to camp with us. It's incredible. It's the coolest thing ever. Now, I want to share something with you. We didn't know anything about this, but there was an Airstream convention at this campground. It's not a large campground, but almost every site was taken by an Airstream. And when we came in, we thought maybe we didn't belong there, but there was like one site that we reserved that we had. But we talked to a few of the people there, and they were super, super, super nice. And we seriously enjoyed hanging out with. It's a cool group of people. These people that have these Airstreams, we really enjoyed hanging with them, and we're gonna probably look to find out where they'll be next because they're good people to camp near. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second or two. But suffice it to say, we had there's a little kitty cat. We had a really, really good time camping along within the Airstream Club. It's some type of club out of, and there's our rig. We call it Sireny. It is our Class B Pleasureway, 2007. We love it. And look how it fits in beautifully in the landscape, in this canyon. It's incredible. I threw in a picture of Yoko driving with Oliver at the helm with her. He loves camping with us. Well, that was a little quick tour of Fremont Indian State Park. If you're ever around the area, I would highly recommend it, especially if there's another Airstream convention here. They're so quiet and they're so good, and it's such a great group to be around because there's literally no noise, and I like that. Talk to you later. Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy.